everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be doing a 2 to 4 month after treatment review for the OWOW Smoothing Kit. And honestly, I want to do these videos all in one because I thought 4 videos for one treatment is a bit excessive. I have no idea if I said that right, but just, y'all know I'm an idiot, okay? So in the next clip, we're going to be going back in time and we're going to be seeing what past Amber, 2 months ago Amber, has to say about the product. And then future Amber, who is me, is going to come back at the end and give you guys like final thoughts type thing, what my hair is like now, and just a full-on rundown. So I'll see you guys later. See y'all. I'm going to be washing my hair now with the OWOW shampoo and conditioner, and then I'm going to be coming out, blow drying it, and then straightening it and seeing if the second time it is straightened lasts just as long as the first time. Because we want to know if the product works more than once, because it does claim to last for about 3 months. Like, the last month it starts to wear off a lot more than the first 2 months, but we're still in the first 2 months, so the product should be fine. I have done everything they said. They said when you wash it you have to blow dry it every time, and I blow dried it last time if you saw my last video. So now I'm going to be re-straightening it and seeing if it works. But I just want to show you guys this piece here. Like, it looks really straight, like there's hardly any curl pattern in it whatsoever. I mean, I'm not bothered about that because I know that it will come back. Well, I'll do an updated review in a few months to show you guys if my curl pattern does come back. It's just really like, it doesn't look curly, it just looks like frizzy straight type thing. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hair now. So I'm back from my hair wash. As you can tell, my hair is pretty curly at the moment, so if I had probably left it to air dry, it would probably stay curly. I've already sprayed some of this hair protection Aveda Brilliant Damage Control in it, because I do not want my hair to be damaged unnecessarily. I know that straightening it is going to damage it, but I don't want any unnecessary damage. And now I'm going to blow dry my whole head, and then I'm going to come back. So I have no idea why, but this piece here, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like really straight. This blow dry is a lot better than the last blow dry, but I don't know if you guys can tell, this is all in a bubble, so don't worry about this. But this is a lot more like, a lot less frizzy than what it was when I blow dried it last time. If you watched me blow dry it last time, you saw that the one side was out like that. But now it's actually like going down. I don't know if that's because this time I have blow dried it in smaller sections. I'm just going to give you a little rundown on how I actually am blow drying it. So this is the hair fully blow dried, and it looks a lot more straight now, and it feels so soft. I could technically leave my hair like this, but these bottom bits here are just like really frizzy and they need straightening, so I am going to straighten it and straighten those parts. Well, I'm going to straighten it all. I'm going to make sure to focus on the end parts, because obviously these parts up here, they're quite good. Doing quite good, like look, that looks straight to me. This might just be a smoothing treatment, but it's something other than that, because my hair looks straight after a blow dry. And now I'm going to do the rest, and I'm going to come back and show you guys the final blow dried result. This is my hair fully blow dried, and honestly, like, I could leave it like this. This would constitute as straight in my opinion. The problem is all this at the bottom, it's very like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like that at the bottom, but then as it gets to the top it gets straighter, so it's not as soft as it could be, but it definitely is straighter. It definitely has less volume to it, meaning there must be less frizz somewhere in this bitch. I'm going to be straightening my hair with one of these little, I don't know what you call them. It's one of these, like, you just brush it through your hair and it straightens your hair. I want to try it with something different today because I want to know if it works with different types of straighteners and stuff like that. So it's straighter, but it's not giving me the straightness I want, really. Like, them end bits are still really fluffy. It appears alright, but it's still fluffy. I'm not using that. I want a sleek a nice sleek straighten, not a bloody half-arsed. Like, I don't know if you can see the difference, but this piece of hair has been straightened with like a flat iron. This piece of hair, like here, has been straightened with that comb thing. And these end pieces of hair here, they've been just blow dried. I don't know if you can tell the difference between the three textures, but that's what it looks like. Okay guys, I know you're probably wondering, Amber, what the hell is your hair doing up? I make a big mistake. I put lots of oil and what's it called, like conditioner on this side of my hair, and it just looks really greasy and really. Actually, I'll just appreciate the artistry in this style, please, before I take it out. Okay, so this is this side. I didn't go to this side, but I put loads of product in this side and that just all clumping together and looking greasy. So I tied this side into that side to hopefully transfer some of the product over here. So then maybe I can straighten the rest of it tomorrow. But I don't know. So this is, I've actually gone and straightened this side because, you know, I couldn't just leave this on a whim. So as you can tell, this is a side with lots of product on it. It looks disgusting. I look disgusting. And this side is the one that I've just straightened. So I'm gonna put them both to the back now. Okay, so this is the back of the hair. I don't know if you can tell that one's got lots of product on it from the back, but there we go. A little bit more in depth under here. Still looking very straight, just like it was last time. See, this time straightening it didn't take as long. Like this side did not take as long at all. I don't know why I took so much time with this side. And I'm going to now wait a week and see if this hair. Oh, I can see a little bit here. Won't be done. Right, well, I'll see you later. Bye. So guys, it's been 4 days since I straightened my hair, and this time, as you can tell, my hair has gone a lot more frizzier, a lot more curlier than it did the first time. So, I just want to talk about the different sides. On this side, I put product on it. I put some hair conditioner on and then some hair oil on. I'm guessing this product had like sulfates in it because it has proper made my hair just go absolutely disgusting on this side. As you can tell, look at all that. It's all curly underneath there, like it's short as hell underneath there. It's just really bad, to be honest. But look at all that. The reason why I did put this product in my hair was because my hair is really, really, really dry, because you're not allowed to use any products on your hair that have sulfate in them. And I don't know, but I'm pretty sure every product I use has sulfate in it, because I don't look at that, unfortunately. I know a lot of you are sitting there like, Amber, you need to look at that. Well, I don't. I can't be arsed. Plus, like, think of it this way, guys. Me using sulfate on this half of my hair is showing you what sulfate does to this OWOW product. So as you can tell, like here, it's not that curly, but you can just see how, like, I don't know, it's like really frizzy and horrible, and it's just disgusting. I really hate this side of my hair at the moment. It's really annoying me. And then under here, it's just really curly. Like, as you get closer, you can see that it's not like affect the tops, because I didn't put it at the top. I put it all at the bottom to get my ends like with some moisture, you know. This side, even though I didn't put any product on it, it was a bit wrapped up in with this side, so I'm not sure if some of the product has transferred from this side to this side to make it a little bit curlier, but it is a little bit curlier on this side. It's not as curly, you know, as it could be. As you can tell, like, I need to like make it so it goes like that. It's just a bit like wavy at the top here. I don't know why it's at the top and not the bottom. And as you can tell, like, my hair is just so dry. Here's my advice for people with hair like mine, or people who are susceptible to dry hair or brittle hair or anything like that. If I were you, I would hold off on buying OWOW until your whole kit of hair care, hair moisturiser, hair oil have all got no sulfates in them whatsoever. I've neglected to look after my hair these last few weeks because it needs no sulfate, and my products, I'm not sure if they have sulfates in them, so I've just not used them instead of having a look and researching if they do, because I might have been able to use some of the things I have, but I haven't, just in case it doesn't work. Feeling dry, it's feeling brittle, but I know that's not OWOW's fault, that's my fault, because I decided to neglect the hair care side of my hair and just wanted to look good. After this time straightening my hair, I'm not going to straighten it again. I'm not straightening my hair for at least another 6 months now. But now I know that before those 6 months are up, I need to completely change my hair care routine so that all of my products contain no sulfate in them whatsoever. And honestly, I think 6 months is enough time for me to review and like make sure that everything that I use is going to be alright for my hair, because not everything that I use is going to be good for your hair, not everything you use is going to be good for my hair. So you need to kind of do your own experiments when it comes to your hair and your skin and anything that's just your own, because you are not the next person. So now that past Amber has had her say, now it's time for future Amber. 4 months later, Amber's turn. So I actually ended up swapping out the OWOW's provided shampoo and conditioner. I swapped it out for the Maui Moisture Hair Care Curl Quench Coconut Oil Conditioner and Shampoo. I saw a lot of bad reviews on this, so don't at me if you're about to say that it's bad for my hair, because it's doing alright for me, to be honest. That's the reason I bought these, because it says on the little packaging that it has no sulfate surfactants. I don't know if just regular sulfates are the same thing as sulfate surfactants or whatever that word is. I thought it worked pretty well for my hair. And I even used this mask that you got in the same like little set. It's a curl smoothie, and you can actually use this and not wash it out, so that's great too, so you can use it for both things. So a lot of people want to know if the treatment would affect my curl pattern, and I don't know if you can see this hair at the back here. Like, let's try this side instead. Like, you can see that, right? Like, my curl pattern's fine, honestly, like, it hasn't got rid of it at all. One thing I have really noticed, though, is that my curls hold for a lot longer. Like, when I used to go out and I used to unplait my hair, the curls would all, like, just turn into, like, an afro type thing. And I've had my hair out since Wednesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so I've had it out 5 days now. And I can actually still see the curl pattern in my hair when I just pull it out, like, I don't know about you, but for me that's great. It's 4 months after using the product, so I'm not sure, because I don't wash my hair very often, maybe that's why it stays for longer. I don't know, I don't wash my hair very often at all. I'm pretty sure since we actually did the treatment I've washed my hair 4 times, so that's once a month. Great. A lot of people said that the hair feels more manageable when they use this stuff, and honestly I don't feel like it's made my hair less or more manageable. I just think it's the same amount of work as it was before I did the treatment. Just for a little bit of proof, I have like provided some photos right here. I'll put dates next to them and stuff so that you guys know what the hell's going on. I don't even know what I'm gonna put on there. I just know I've got pictures somewhere of my hair before I had my treatment done and a few days later, and it just, there's no like, you can't tell it's curly, you can just tell it's kind of frizzy. Like, there is still frizzy bits in here, like this bit here, that is so frizzy. But these parts at the top, I don't know if you can see them because of the black behind me, but what's it called? It's very, like, you can see the curls in it still, and normally that doesn't happen with me. Normally it's like same night it gets frizzy type thing. A lot of people also said things about like the hair smelling weird after using the treatment. I have not noticed any of that. I've never like caught a whiff of my hair and been like, oh, what the fuck is that? I've never done that, so I don't think it's that much of a problem. So my final thoughts is I personally think it's worth the £50 I spent on it. For me, it's worth it because I have very, like, my hair, when I straighten it, it goes really frizzy and it's afro type thing. But for people with less frizzier or even just wavy hair, I'm not really sure if it's like worth £50, but obviously everybody, like, when you have wavy hair, you have the standard for your, I don't really know how to explain it. I'm not sure, I don't really know. I just know that big change, big money, small change, smaller money, yes. So yeah, I think that's the end of our OWOW journey. It's been an emotional few months. Me and my hair have had talks and we've got to know each other better, and it was just all around a fun experience. And I'm so glad that I got to show you guys a product that actually worked for my hair, because it would have been, how annoying would it have been if I did all this and it would just like, nah, actually don't work. I was happy with the result I got when it was straight, and I'm also happy with the state it's in now that we're like 4 months on and it's still working for me. I personally think, I don't know if that's true, I just think that, okay? I just don't know, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, share with your friends, I don't mind. If you use the OWOW treatment and you have your own opinions, then don't be afraid to comment it down below, because I like to hear other people's opinions and other people's like experiences with it, see if it worked for you, didn't work for you, because some people it doesn't work for, and if other people are watching my videos and they're like, it didn't work for me, then in the comments they can see that actually it didn't work for other people too, so you ain't alone. Well, I'm pretty sure that that's everything. If you guys want to tune into my next video, that will also be a hair video, because I'm going to be using some waveformers. Yes, I can't wait to show you guys, because I've seen some girls get really good results with them, so I can't wait to use them, try to stretch my hair out, make it look long and curly at the same time. So I'm pretty sure that that's everything, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.